Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to windmill breakdance for beginners updated. Start by tucking your chin and driving your legs in a circular arc. Practice shoulder spins on a soft surface, build momentum with rocking drills, and keep your arms relaxed while spotting the next rotation. Break down the move into rocking, planting, and spinning phases, increase speed gradually, and rest between attempts to avoid strain. Stay patient and consistent. Warm up thoroughly and focus on 3 core drills that build momentum and control. Begin with rocking drills, then work on the planted shoulder spin, and finally connect full rotations. Practice slowly to learn technique, then add speed only when your form is solid, and use a soft surface for falls. Listen to your body, hydrate, and consider filming yourself to track progress and ask for feedback from experienced breakers. Quick recommendation: if you like this content, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. I use the Oala water bottle for long practice sessions because it keeps drinks cold, fits in most gym bags, and has a spill-proof cap, making hydration effortless between rounds. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find the bottle helpful, grab one. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your neck and shoulders with proper technique, and avoid twisting through your spine. Use wrist supports if needed and strengthen core and scapular muscles off the floor. Progress within your limits, stop if sharp pain occurs, and prioritize controlled reps over flashy speed. Cross-train with flexibility and strength work to reduce injury risk, and consult a coach or experienced breaker for personalized cues and corrections. Practice falls gently and learn safe breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.